Okay guys, so we got a 99 Suburban here. I just did the other test with the battery fuse that was bad. You had no lights at all. In this case, for this video, you have lights. You have dash lights, but you have nothing else. You can see there, they lit up. The radio lit up and the dash lights. But you have nothing else, and it won't start. There's a no start. So the first thing, again, like my other video, you're gonna ground out to eliminate all ground. And so we just did. We have a good ground because we have a ground on the engine. You want a good ground to the fender and a good ground to the engine and engine to chassis. Those three grounds are extremely important. If you have a no start and you have no ground here, then check one of those grounds. There'll be a ground strap from the negative battery to the fender, a ground strap from the negative battery to the engine, and a strap on the back of the engine that goes down to the frame on all these Suburbans. If that's your problem, great. If it's not your problem, then continue. So we're gonna go to the fuse panel again, just like the other video. In this case, we know these two are good, these two fuses, but this third fuse is not good. The third one, it's hot on that side, not on that side. And the fourth one as well, check that one as well, because both of these are ignition fuses. In this case, it's at 50 amp on the first ignition fuse. And you can see it's broke just like the other one that I showed in the other video. This video, it was the same fuse. I just did this to show you if you had this problem. So we pop that in there. And so now we have ignition. All our lights are still on. And now she starts. So once again, let me shut this off so you can hear me. Once again, if you have lights, dash lights, etc., but a no start, that's the fuse you want to check. If you have absolutely no lights, no nothing else, the other video shows you which one to check. You can click on my name underneath this video for that video and all my other how-to videos. And please click like if you haven't. Please click subscribe if you haven't. And once again, you guys, thanks again for all the great comments. Enjoy.